Hi, I'm Karen with Karen Orton Design. The design trends in the Southwest kind of vary from Southwest contemporary to Santa Fe. We've kind of incorporated Tuscany. There are a lot of different looks that are appropriate for the Southwest. Remember, it's you. You have to individualize it. And I think that don't be afraid to do anything. Make sure that it's your signature. Even if you're not really sure, do it, because usually it'll turn out great. You should trust your own instincts. For me personally, in my own home, I have sofas that have slip covers, and I change the slip covers for fall. I have denim covers, in the winter. I have white slip covers in the summer. And a lot of times people like that seasonal changes. There might be this easiest things. It might be new accessories or fresh towels in the bathroom. I mean, there are a lot of ways that you can give a huge impact for very little money. I think the most important thing is when you decorate, if you have a formal area and a casual area, I think it's real important that you put most of your money in your living areas, in your family room. Make sure you have the most comfortable sofa, the most durable furniture. Because usually in your formal areas, you don't use that very often. So you want a great look, but you don't want to spend a lot of money.